front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I would like to show you how you can use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by copying or cutting any text. Now, to paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard. But to paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to pin it, hold it and use pin icon at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, hold it and tap on pin icon next to the pin one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now, to delete text on the go, use this button at the bottom right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, use this one at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!